In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install VS Code on Windows 11. We'll keep this simple and clear from start to finish. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Visual Studio Code website. Look for the secure address with the lock icon and make sure the domain is the official one to avoid third-party downloads. This ensures you're getting the latest, safe version straight from the source. On the home page, select the Windows download. Most Windows 11 systems are 64-bit, so the 64-bit installer is typically the right choice. If you see options like User Installer and System Installer, the User Installer is usually the easiest because it doesn't require administrator rights and installs just for your account. The System Installer is fine too if you have admin access and want it available for all users on the machine. Once the installer finishes downloading, open the file to start the setup wizard. If Windows shows a security prompt, confirm that you want to run the installer. In the wizard, click through the welcome screen and accept the license agreement. When you're asked where to install, the default location works well for most people, so you can leave that as is. Next, you'll see a screen for additional tasks. This is where you can tailor VS Code to your workflow. Enabling Add to Path is highly recommended. It lets you open VS Code from the command prompt or PowerShell by simply typing code, which is a big time saver for developers. You can also choose to create a desktop icon if you like quick access. Some installers offer context menu options like Open with Code when you right-click files or folders. Those are handy if you prefer opening projects directly from File Explorer. After you've picked your options, click Install. The setup will copy files and configure everything. It usually takes just a minute or two. While it's installing, avoid closing the window so the process completes cleanly. When you see the completion screen, you can choose to launch Visual Studio Code right away and then click Finish. If VS Code opens, you'll land on a welcome page. That means the installation worked. From here, you're ready to start coding, customize settings, or simply close the app and return later. If you chose Add to Path, you can open a terminal in any project folder and type Code to launch VS Code directly in that location. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready to go. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows 11.